Hello everyone, welcome to SPM Polytechnic Kumthe Solapur. Today we are going to talk about campus to corporate world. I am Ms. Amruta Nandal, working as a lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. Campus to corporate transition is the key to successful career. Campus and corporate, these are two different entities. No doubt, every student has a dream of successful career. You also have, right? Well, but many of them do not know about corporate culture. When we talk about campus, you see friends, study, picnic, lectures, practicals. But when you enter into the corporate world, there are expectations out of your view. Our starts from job, meetings, goals, target, deadlines, responsibilities, boss, manager, team leader, etc. But don't worry, we will see how to succeed in career. These are the key points. Overview of corporate culture, challenges of newcomer, etiquettes, the corporate attire, the rules of business communication, tips to success. We will see one by one. Corporate culture. First of all, we see what is corporate culture. The corporate culture refers to the personality and identity of organization. It is based on the system of shared values, social norms, systems and attitude which shape how member of an organization take decision, act and feel. Challenges of newcomer in the corporate world. When you enter into the corporate world, you might face some challenges like new environment, new learning, new people. You have to adjust with all these things. Confidence. Confidence is the biggest challenge of every newcomer because lack of confidence and self belief you become fearful. So, always believe in yourself. Different responsibilities. As a part of organization, you have to take different responsibilities because organization has many expectations from you. Mode of communication. There are different mode of communication like how to talk with colleagues, how to talk with team leader, manager, boss, etc. Connection with coworker. The work become enjoyable place to go when you friend coworker because you feel appreciated and cared about. But avoid doing misunderstandings. These are the certain challenges of newcomer in the corporate world. But remember, optimistic and self-belief are the keys to face these challenges. Etiquettes. Do you know what is etiquette? Etiquette means behaving yourself a little better than is absolutely essential. Have you observed how we behave when meeting with friend and relative? You know well. How was our behavior? There is some difference. Likewise, etiquettes at the campus and at the corporate world are somewhat different. We will see one by one. Professional etiquettes. It includes greetings, introduction of ourselves, handshakes, attention on name, saying thank you, stop crossing legs. Telephone etiquettes. Telephone etiquettes include answer the call within 3 rings, introduce yourself immediately, keep smile on face while talking, maintain good tone, speak clearly, avoid long talks. Meeting etiquettes. Mainly it includes punctuality. Always it is important to go on time to the meetings. Keep your phone in silent mode. Always carry notepad and pen with you. Make introductions. Do not interrupt anyone while talking. Ask a question and clarify your doubts. Email etiquettes. It includes Using professional mail IDs. Include clear subject while writing mail. Don't leave it blank. Include signature book. Do not attach too many documents. Mind your manners. Think twice while replying to all. These are the all etiquettes in the corporate world. Remember, maturity doesn't mean age. Maturity doesn't mean age, it means sensitivity, manner, and how you react. The corporate attire. The business attire refers to the clothing that employees wear to work. We always need to make sure that we dressed up very well. We need to understand there should not have any mark on your shirt. Shoes are polished, clothes are clean. The physical appearance should be professional always. Remember one thing, always dress well, keep it simple but significant. The rules of business communication. Communication is the basic building block of corporate world. When you convey information between people within an outside company, it leads to business communication. You know, there are two types of communication skill, verbal and non-verbal communication skill. Only words do not achieve proper communication. It is divided into three sections like body language, tone, and words. Listening carefully, it is important to reply meaningfully. Be conscious, complete, and correct while communicating. Show respect through your communication because art of communication is the language of leadership. Tips to success. Always be punctual because first impression is the last impression. Communication skill. 80% of our success is determined by your communication skill. Challenge yourself out of your comfort. Always try and explore the opportunities with creativity. Maintain good relations with boss and colleagues. Be honest with your boss and colleague. Expose yourself to successful people. Be around of successful people who strive for success. Never take things personally. In corporate world, there might be certain allegations thrown out you because sometimes work not completed within the time. But never ever take personally because the more you let it effective, the more you let will get affected. Last but not the least, success doesn't come to you. Success doesn't come to you, you go to it. Thank you for watching.